In our previous discussion, we explored structural fragmentation. Today, we look at power shifts and institutional design. Power shift and institutional design in fragmented systems. Strategic fragmentation is often described as a breakdown of cooperation. However, fragmentation is rarely the starting point. It is usually the outcome of a deeper structural process, power redistribution. A power shift occurs when relative, military, economic, technological, or institutional capabilities redistribute among states, altering the balance of influence within the system. Institutions are typically designed during periods of relative stability. Their internal structures reflect the power distribution at the time of their creation. When that distribution changes, institutional strain begins to emerge. The strain is not necessarily operational failure, it is legitimacy stress. Emerging actors may seek greater representation in voting frameworks, agenda setting, or enforcement mechanisms. Established actors may resist structural dilution. As a result, compliance can become selective, coordination more difficult, and trust gradually weaker. When formal structural reform becomes politically constrained, layered governance mechanisms begin to appear. These may include issues specific coalition, regional coordination platforms, or hybrid participation arrangements. Layered systems increase flexibility and partial inclusion, but they also introduce coordination complexity and overlapping authority. In fragmented environments, balance of power alone does not guarantee stability. Stability increasingly depends on whether institutional design evolves alongside redistributed capability, particularly through structured communication architecture and procedural adaptation. Power shifts are structural, institutional legitimacy is conditional. Whether fragmentation harden into systematic instability depends on the capacity of governance system to adapt under the pressure. Power transitions are not about sudden conflict, they are about structural shifts. Institutions adapt, but often after power has already moved. The real question here is not about who is stronger, but who designs the framework of stability.